Hey, I know it's been a good little minute, but I'm starting fresh with everything, so here we go. As y'all see, my hair is it's not really giving. It's not. I was showing y'all the consistency of the product and stuff, cause I don't know, some of y'all be wanting to see that stuff. But yeah, my hair is kind of going through some stuff. Like I was doing good until I wasn't. As you see, I gave myself a couple of little skunk pieces, dibbling and dabbling in some color, but like my hair is really frustrating me right now, and I'm really considering doing another big chop. I'm not even gonna hold you, and I'm just brushing my little baby hairs out and slicking them. So I'm trying to make the most of my hair right now, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I just been cutting and I ain't been letting it grow. So I cut my hair before I did a big chop. This was the first big chop that I did. I was nervous as heck because I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what my hair texture was gonna be. I didn't know how patient I had to be, none of that. So I was cutting it into little sections and doing it. Yeah, that you could see the length. So it was crazy. It was really a big chop. And this was the final look, and I loved it. Like, I felt so free. Then it started growing back again, and this is the second chop, because I was like, no, it kept growing too fast. I literally kept cutting and cutting, and I just don't know when I'm gonna stop, because I keep cutting it so I could be free. And that was after I styled it. It's just so easy, and now here I am today. Look at that. Like, what's going on right here? So I ain't like the way them little hairs was all stiff and straight. So what did I decide to do? You're right. I went in and I just cut it. Freehand. No plan. Just went straight in. With the shears. I don't do kitchen scissors. But yeah, y'all know. I am a licensed cosmetologist, just in case y'all didn't know. So I do take, what I do with my hair very seriously. But yeah, I just went in and kind of just eyeballed it, and I eventually fixed it. Because when I straighten my hair, as y'all gonna see in the next video, you gonna see, like, this cut was not, it wasn't giving what, yeah, okay, we just you'll see, because it was crazy. But basically, I've been thinking about doing another big chop. I've been cutting my hair so much, but my hair grows like wildfire. So I've literally been thinking about cutting it and actually recording the journey completely, like very thoroughly this time, showing the treatments that I do and everything to get my hair to grow fast. Because my hair, the last time I did like an actual big chop was, shoot, I don't know, a little over a year ago. And this is where I'm at now. And I just decided to just part down the middle and slick it down, try to do something with it. Because, yeah, I want to tell y'all I'm frustrated with this hair right now. Yeah, I think she's definitely about to come off again, because I'm getting frustrated. So frustrated. But I really love how having a big chop just make me feel free. Like, life get too busy to be trying to maintain hair and stuff. But you know what? It is what it is. And I know I talked a lot during this video, but I mean, I'm trying to like let y'all know what I'm up to, for real. So just be on the lookout, because I've already done some stuff. Y'all are gonna get these videos and you gonna see. But this is just it for this video. This is my struggle when I do hair, random stuff. And I'm just gonna awkwardly stop this video here. So like, comment, and subscribe.